A man once asked me if I knew what was a better place than Tennessee. Levanesee, he told me. But it must be one of those secret billionaire getaways, because after searching for hours on Google, I couldn't find the place anywhere.
Arrived.
Come on up! Ooh, alright. Okay, alright.
I think we're at a beach house.
Grandma's quilt.
It's the same color as your shirt.
Ooh.
Give me grandma's quilt.
You gotta
and
go.
oh gosh! For 3, just for us.
Oh, they knew.
Check out my fridge.
Damn, dude.
Oh, secrets of the vine.
Okay. Hey, you know what happened last time we played this game?
I won.
He won.
Guess who's gonna get boozed?
Who?
Ah! Not even Brazilian.
You're not even Brazilian.
Oh!
Yeah!
Boo! Take the L. Take the L. So who's going where?
I don't know. The upper one has grandma's quilt on it. Grandma's special quilt.
That's good because.
How long was I napping for? Because he said you came up into the room and then left. I have no idea. I did not know you were in
I
there
asked for
ever.
toothpaste.
It was like a good half hour.
I felt like I closed my eyes and opened them.
By the face of Snort.
Why are you sitting down?
Is he?
Am I?
Yeah, that compass.
I'm actually North Amanda.
He's more north.
I'm North. Thank you very much.
That's good. Anytime you sit down with that on, you have to sit north.
What happens if you don't?
It's not north face.
Then you're just a liar.
Our first night in Pigeon Forge was a good old-fashioned, laid-back night on the town. We drove up and down the strip only 4 times before deciding to stop at Magic Quest, an arcade-style adventure attraction.
Bowlers make it through the fastest time possible to touch any lasers. It will add 30 seconds to your score.
2, 3, go!
Wait, there's one right here. How am I supposed to get that? There's one right. Don't move. Right.
It's right there.
After easily beating the laser obstacle course, and having to turn down an offer for the next Mission Impossible movie. Sorry, Tom Cruise, but you can't afford me. My friends and I walked across the room into what happened to be one of the world's largest mirror mazes.
Okay, you're
Oh, that tricked me! Holy crap!
actually right here. Okay, then we're good to go. Take off with caution.
So by 9 o'clock, day 2 was already in full effect. We packed up our bags, loaded up the car, and headed out on the road to find some of those all too perfect Smoky Mountain views.
Since there's no sun out, he's gotta.
I brought the sun with me. I brought my own sunshine.
You can't find the sun, be the sun.
If you can't find the sun, be the sun.
Hey, shark. Hey, shark.
I don't see it. I was talking about
Where?
the only sun in my life. Sun chips.
Spinning like a broken record. For a player, you don't know that many major chords.
Ooh, gotta find my
myself a little creek. I can look these leaves.
I discovered the secrets of the Smoky Mountain.
This spring of well-being.
I've been rejuvenated. I'll now be able to do this trail in half the time. But I don't know how I'm gonna get back up. Okay.
You made it.
I need a break. Hold on.
Time for a nap.
I'll be up in a minute. This feels amazing, actually. Oh, there she goes.
I don't need you here to feel good. No, I'm not angry. I got better things to do.
Hello. Hi. Yes. Not as good as I thought.
I don't need you here to feel good. Tell your friends I will be just fine. Don't need no therapist. There's nothing like wine. There's nothing like wine.
Oh, okay.
Nap time.
I need something to eat. Someone bless me.
There's so much hair that Amanda just gave you. There's at least 8.
Oh my god!
At least 8 different hairs in that protein bar. Look, it's literally all over you.
What the heck? Dude.
Ew, it's on your face. Look at this.
It's like here too. Dude, put it back on me. What's wrong with you? No hair on this one.
That's not mine.
Oh, it's
Amanda.
mine. It's mine.
Ooh, Amanda.
The next stop on our trip took us into downtown Gatlinburg, Tennessee, otherwise known as the Ripley's Believe It or Not capital of the world. Okay, not really, but there is legitimately more Ripley's attractions in downtown Gatlinburg than any other city in the world. Honestly, from anywhere on the strip that you look, you'll probably see at least one Ripley's building. She's blessing the city, I think.
Is she? I don't know what city that is.
Looks like the Magic Kingdom.
What city is that?
New York, not Gatlinburg.
No, there's no Ripley's building anywhere. Milkshakes apparently. You're eating separately.
In school, when you don't like someone, you just set up a wall.
How's your day going?
My day's been splendid. I got to climb a waterfall.
I fell and I almost demolished the kid. He almost died. I felt so bad.
That kid.
And I was so confident too going down. And she was like, whoa. And I was like, got this. My face went.
You just kept rolling. Like,
He did. He literally rolled. You rolled end over end.
You're not part of this.
After some juicy burger R&R, it was time to head up the Parkway and see what else Gatlinburg had to offer us.
There's apparently like a ton of water pressure.
Come on, Iron Daddy. Iron Daddy. Iron Daddy. I did it.
8,478 pound floats on 1 2/54 of an inch of water can't easily be stopped. It can't be stopped.
It can never be stopped. It's an impossible task.
Did you not see me do it? I sure did. I am Iron Man.
The first place we stopped at was Sugarland's Distilling Company, which is a moonshine distillery right in the middle of downtown Gatlinburg. They offer samplings of their different moonshine flavors, which if you've ever done a wine tasting, it's pretty much the same thing, but with more southern accents and a way higher alcohol content.
Alright, I'm gonna start you off nice and easy, everybody. So the first thing we're gonna try is not on our menu. It's gonna be a sample of one of our cocktails from our cocktail bar. It's a Maple Bacon Bloody Mary. Little sweet, little smoky. It's nutritious and delicious. You get healthy and drunk at the same time. It's like going to the gym in a cup.
Going to a gym in a cup.
Going to a gym? That's not what I heard.
What did you hear?
I wasn't listening.
Cheers. Tastes chili.
Alright, everybody, take your cup. Take your cup, put it in your mouth. Put it out with your tongue. Make eye contact with somebody you don't know. You're making your Gatlinburg friend. Hell yeah. Kind of like high five, brother. It's old-fashioned lemonade, southern style, so our next flavor, my favorite flavor.
This one shot. I don't want to do
Alright,
anymore.
last 3 shots, everybody, are Jerry.
The lady left next to
She did leave.
She said I'm done.
Go, butter pecan. All 3 wristbands are working.
I might as well. There's only 3 left.
You're allowed to work.
Cheers.
Coming up
That's actually
next.
not bad at all.
I'll try the strawberry.
It's kind of refreshing.
Sometimes late at night, I pour this on my belly and I call it straw belly. It's cute.
Last one, boys and girls.
I appreciate you. Thanks so much for coming out, everybody.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah, no problem, man.
The last 3 saved me. Saved my life. Because they're so milky, they saved my life.
where are we walking?
Keep going that way?
Keep going to Christmas Town.
Going to Tinseltown.
Ooh, Old Smoky Moonshine. Okay.
Old Smoky Moonshine, go right to the next one. I think I realized I'm not a big fan of moonshine.
No, it's a very contra flavor.
The milk ones are good though. I like those milky ones at the end. Those are good.
I thought you wouldn't like those, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah.
Those are my favorite ones. The rest of them are just too sweet. Like the milk kind of like evened out the sugar. The rest of them are like too many sweet, too many different flavors, and it's like making my stomach
Too much
upset.
happening.
Yeah.
Why is the horse fighting the van?
Weird stuff happens in Gatlinburg.
I see that.
It may very well be true that there's plenty of weird stuff in Gatlinburg. When you're from Florida and are used to having Walt Disney World and Universal Studios in your backyard, a lot of these attractions can seem very tourist trappy. And they are. But honestly, that's all part of Gatlinburg's charm. There are tons of fun little goofy experiences all over the place. And they're even better to share with your best friends.
No!
You almost had it, bro.
Family photo. I need a bear hug. Wait, guys. I'll be right there. What?
I do my penny.
He took 51 cents to make a penny. Took my money.
What are you guys talking about?
Like this one.
Yeah.
Took 51 of my cents.
Really? To make up one of these stupid things?
Yeah.
You're gonna lose it.
I already
If you haven't
lost
already
it.
lost it, there you go. Already lost it.
51 cents.
51 cents short of an actual souvenir, we headed out of Gatlinburg and back toward the cabin. But something else caught our eye.
Alpine.
Alpine, you drive.
You're gonna catch me some crab?
Deadliest catch?
Deadliest. Got the deadliest catch right
Deadliest
here.
catch of the year right here.
Kicking every move and I fought us like a fool for you.
Come on. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay.
Not
This is way funner than I thought it was gonna be.
Something, that's something special about you.
Oh yeah. I was so confused in the beginning. Like, do I pull? Do I push?
I wanna be free when I'm next to you.
Oh my god. I guess you're raining. Okay, it's really starting to come down. All right, here we go in the rain.
Something special gonna rise, something special that I like about you.
How you feeling, bud? Thank you, man.
The contacts kept getting in my eyes, and I'm like, right up blind.
Oh my gosh. Okay, where's that? Oh, bro, oh my god.
How much up over there? No, all the wires coming this way.
Is the car unlocked?
The keys.
Girl, you're wet. What do you mean?
What do you mean? What do I mean?
That was wild. Wow, we're really wet. Toast me up.
Let's go sit down in front of the room.
That's my car. Oh my gosh. The car's on. The car's literally off. How am I my car key in? I think it's still on.
It's just there. It's just on. Bessie's gonna be gone in the morning.
It's like, can you leave me on?
We're done after tonight. Done. You and me. History.
It's over.
Oh man.
My life depends on trying to figure a scribble I could let loose, dodging the dribble that they trying to throw my way. I think I figured that them figures out to get you. Let them pull the strings.